Dreaming of a premium banking experience? Let's walk through opening your Goldman Sachs Bank USA account today. First things first, let's talk eligibility. Goldman Sachs Bank USA is generally open to U.S. residents, 18 years or older, who have a valid social security number or taxpayer identification number. Ready to start? Head over to the Goldman Sachs Bank USA website, look for the Open an Account or Get Started button and click on it. The application process is entirely online. You'll be guided through several steps. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your full name, residential address, date of birth, and contact details like your email and phone number. Next, identity verification. You'll likely need to upload a clear picture of a governmentist ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Have this ready to make the process smooth. You'll also be asked to provide your social security number or taxpayer identification number. This is a standard requirement for opening a bank account in the U.S. Now, let's choose your account. Goldman Sachs Bank USA offers a range of products, typically including high-yield savings accounts and potentially other specialized accounts. Review the features and benefits of each before making your selection. Most accounts will have a minimum opening deposit. The website will clearly outline this amount and the available methods for funding your new account, such as transferring funds from an existing bank account. Carefully review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. You might receive an email confirmation shortly after. And that's it. Your application will be processed, and you'll be notified once your account is officially open and ready to use. Welcome to the world of Goldman Sachs banking.